At Vintage Real Estate Services, we manage residential, commercial, and multifamily properties across the Tampa Bay area, representing clients across the U.S., Europe, and Latin America for the last 15 years. We are committed to your complete satisfaction and long-term success. Our team works hard to eliminate worry, mitigate risk, and ensure a profitable property ownership experience. We are your 24/7 boots on the ground for marketing, leasing, rent collection, bookkeeping, and property maintenance. We do this efficiently and cost effectively. Our local knowledge provides us an innate ability to quickly fill your vacancies for top dollar with the best tenants in town. We look forward to speaking with you to see how we can help maximize the return on your real estate investment.